Introducing the 2023 Cupra Born 150 kilowatts, a powerful and stylish electric vehicle with all the features you need for a smooth and safe ride. From ambient lighting to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this opportunity to drive a top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today. Drive into the future with the Cupra Born 150 kilowatts.